Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video, and this one is a long time coming. Today we're going to shoot the Mossberg Scorpion. For those of you who do not know much about this particular shotgun, the Mossberg Scorpion was basically just a specialty shotgun they made a year or two ago, and I haven't looked up the statistics since, but I think it holds 5 or 6 in the chamber. It's short barrel, has the heat shroud on it, has the larger hand grip with texturing, has the very nice 6-position stock. It's just a really nice gun, and it's a very heavy shotgun. But I decided we're going to go ahead and take a few shots today. Now all I have is birdshot, so all we're going to be shooting is something like this today, but it should be plenty of fun. Now I hate to tell you this, but I'm not about to sacrifice a GoPro in order to get some really closer shots of the target I'm shooting at. So going to be having to use the camcorder for that, and we're just going to use the GoPro to film me shooting. As usual, we will be starting with some cans, and we're going to see just how devastating this birdshot is on them. The best part about a shotgun is if you're really close you get a really nice punch, but the farther out of the way the more targets you can get at once. So we have 3 cans staggered about 5-7 yards apart, and we're just going to go in order and look at the shot pattern. I think that's all there is of that. There we go. Last but not least, we gotta take care of some peeps that keep wandering onto the firing range, and it's time they start learning a lesson or two. That'll teach them. So overall thoughts on the Scorpion is that it's an excellent self-defense shotgun. If you're doing anything close range, you're going to be fine. I shot up to about 30 or 40 yards today, got a good spread with birdshot. One thing I've really wanted to try with this shotgun is some buckshot or something. I want to see how the spread is with that and if it's feasible even for hunting. It's not the most idealistic firearm for hunting, but it would be a lot of fun. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to share, like, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.